Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Okay, just wanted to shoot a little short video here to show you how to enter draws on this website, which is called Real Draws. Excuse me. Oh man, I'm tired. Who am I? I'm sister_Sue, SU on Twitter. And down the corner there, hit that little Canadian flag, subscribe, ring the bell as well, and tell all your friends to come over. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. We now have 15 subscribers, which is like wonderful to meet you all. So, to how to enter contests on Royal Draws. You see there's different things you can do on here. In between everything, they have an ad show up. So yes, it is a site that does have a lot of ads. So you click on draws. Okay. Click on draws. Active draws. And here we have a draw, win a $50 Shell gift card. Now, if you share this on Twitter, you're supposed to get bonus points or something for that. But this is how you enter the draw. So you have to be very careful here because there's an ad that shows up in the middle here, and if you're not careful, you end up clicking on the ad. So you click on Enter Draw, and then slide down so you see the Enter Draw again, and you need to tick the Terms and Conditions and click Enter Draw. Now you'll see I now have 640 points. When you enter a draw, you get bonus points. Here it says, thank you. This is how you know you've entered. Thank you. You have successfully entered this draw. Earn more points by sharing on Facebook, Twitter, or more. Now, the Facebook thing is not working for me. But the Twitter does. And the email works too. I don't know if this will open a new window and you won't be able to see. Yeah, that opens a new window, so I won't show you that. And if you click on the Twitter, I believe that opens a new window too. Yeah, that opens a new window as well. Okay, if you have a blog, you can copy that link, I think, from there. This is kind of out of date. You'll earn 40 royal points every time someone you refer us to subscribes. So, and you can enter more draws for more chances to win. Now, I've already entered this one. So here if I wanted to enter it again, I just got 64. I just got another point. I have 641 points. Redeeming points. You can redeem points for extra draw entries. You can enter the draw with extra draw entries. Or you can go to the point store. So let's go over to the point store. I need quite a few more points to shop at the point store, I believe. So I have 641 points. This is Royal Draw Canada that I'm on. So that's 5,000 points. So yeah, this is gonna take a while at this rate. Now there are other things you can do to earn points and entries. So earn entries by posting and sharing on the Royal Draw newsfeed. The more others engage with your content, the more entries you'll earn. So sometimes I'll come on and I will have more points added. When you subscribe, you get 400 points. When you post, if you post deals, contests, or more to your newsfeed, you'll earn points daily based on how many people have seen it. You'll even earn faster if people like, share, and comment on it. So try to post great content others will love. And hey, come on by and like my stuff, please. Thank you. I appreciate that. Share with friends. Each new subscriber, you get 40 points. 2 points when you enter a draw. Download a free printable coupon and you get 2 points. Vote for a draw, 2 points. Follow them on Twitter, 40 points. Read the daily email, 1 point. And here. So this is how you enter the draws on Royal Draw. There's a winner's wall. Shows everybody who's been winning these Royal Draws. Maybe there's somebody there that you know. There's the coupons. They have retail coupons, grocery coupons. I believe these are the ones to print. To print the coupons, you go in here, you choose your province. If you're in Canada, I don't know what it looks like in the USA. They don't tell me that. And you could choose no thanks. Well, choose no thanks. You just get there anyway. And to print a coupon, you just click on clip. You can email it to a friend. Legend has it that Paul McCartney fell out of bed in the middle of the night. Yeah. Interesting. And there you can slide down here. Click there to view more. You can click there to view more. View more. So I have lots of coupons on there. So you just keep clicking on view more, and there are a lot of different coupons. And when you've chosen the ones you want, you click on the printer. Now, I don't have a printer. It says printing your coupons needs Adobe Acrobat. And you can click there to install it for free. And because I don't have a printer, it goes automatically to my computer. It's down there. I don't know if you see that. So it doesn't show me receiving 2 points for that. Just reload and see if they show up. I don't see it. So it may have to actually go to a printer. It's not showing up there. Now this tells you how to earn all different ways to earn points and entries. So this is how you post to the news feed. So you just post a status, good morning, just like on Twitter. Morning, have a great day. Grateful to still be alive. What are you grateful for today? Well, it's a status, so you can post a draw, a contest, a deal, a coupon, an offer, a survey. I guess maybe that's a survey. I'll just leave it there. I am having a problem figuring out what to do with these bells. At one point I was able to find it. If you know how I can access these messages that are in here, That would be wonderful if you could help me with that. The games do not work anymore. You set up your profile. But yeah, this, I'll show you this. Games discontinued. So, anyway, perhaps someday I will see your picture here. Or maybe I don't think you're going to see me because so far I don't have a current picture of me. But anyway, hope to see you winning a draw. Have a great day. Remember to pray because things do change that way. Remember to click and subscribe.